Hi, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management. Today we are discussing about the team and team building. We have been already discussed about team and various aspects of the team building processes. Today we are discussing about various types of teams, then skills and the team development process is step one. So if you have to look at the types of teams, there are basically some type, one is problem solving team. Problem solving team. Problem solving team. This is the most traditional type of team. This type of teams consist of 5 to 12 members. Members means employees of the same department who meet a few hours to discuss the way and means of improving quality. So efficiency and work environment. This type of team help in any discussion point in ideas, situations and offers to track. So whenever this type of problem, any problem will come down, we have to sit down, 10 or 12 person was there and discussing out that, and then we have to irrigate the problems. The second thing is self-managed teams. Self-managed teams. These are composed of 10 to 15 people's employees who take a responsibility of their former superiors. Their functions may be collective control over the pace of time and determination of work assignments, organizations of works and collective choice of inspection procedures. So when this self-managed teams will be collected down, the self-managed team select their own numbers and have the members evaluate each other's performance. So this is the self-managed team was there. Then we have cross-functional teams. Cross-functional. As the name suggested. Cross-functional are the latest innovation to the concept of teams. These teams are made up of employees from about the same hierarchical level, but from different work areas, who comes together to accomplish the task. So these are basically the things which we can share down. Then team building processes, team building management, there are certain issues which we have to look after. So what the issues is to be there? There are certain things like we have to deal with each, and there is nothing is to be there, possibility, implications, knowledge, attires, a formula, because whatever the strategy, whatever the line of action, whatever the assignments we develop in our day-to-day practices, in our groups, in our teams. So for everything, whatever, for the effectiveness is what? Because if you are working in an institution, if you are working with the institution is to be there, the system was there. So in that system, we have to put on certain things for the entire teamwork process. Teamwork. So in the teamwork process, there are certain things. Number one, number of members. How much members should be there in the team? Any clues to be there? Because size of the team may affect the performance of the team, their goal achievement, their assignations, their best working style, others. So for the best achievements, for the best result, it should be around 10 to 15. This is first clause. Then second thing was selection of members. Normally, in the private or professionally managed company, things are okay, because selection of the team or team members on the basis of skills and skill potential. We can do, we can qualify, we can accommodate, we can apply. So the vice manager should choose people based on the both their skill and can do approach. Can do is to be I can, because If you have to just like an example, in an academic front is to be there. कॉलेजेस में हम लोग डिग्री लेके आते हैं और डिग्री लेके बाहर आ जाते हैं. एज एंड वेन हमारे पास बुकिश नॉलेज होती है, बट हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता. तो जब हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता, तो दैट इज एक्सपीरियंस बाय द बेस ऑफ द नॉलेज इज नोन एज स्किल्स, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस. तो इफ आई एम द एम्प्लॉयर, इफ आई एम द मैनेजर, आई नो यू हैव द बेटर नॉलेज. अब उस बेटर नॉलेज को हम आपके स्किल्स में डालेंगे और धीमे 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 हम आपको अपने हिसाब से ग्रो कर लेंगे. दैट्स व्हाई इनिशियल पोस्टिंग ऑफ ए मैनेजर लाइक यू, and after doing this management courses, you have to become as a trainee executive or management trainee, whatever. So trainee is to be there कि आपके अंदर जो पढ़ाने वाला नॉलेज है उसको हम धीमे धीरे अपग्रेड करते हैं और अपने हिसाब से उसको चेंजेस करते हैं. तो सिलेक्शन ऑफ द मेंबर्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्किल्स एंड पोटेंशियल्स. Skills and potential on the basis of technical skills, problem solving and decision making skills, and interpersonal skills. Then third is establish urgency, demanding performance standards and the direction. Urgency, because whatever the team is to be there, they used to be developed for a specific task. And the task should be completed in a given and stipulated time. So if the time is very precious, in that concern was there. If we are in the group, they play role, but not as per the team orientation should be there. So teamwork best in urgency. The team members need to believe that the team has urgent and worthwhile purposes and should also know what are the expectations to be there. Now the fourth thing, allocating the right roles to the right people. Right role to the right people. If you have to come down the HR positioning, what is the role of the HR? Right person at the right place at the right time. Same thing. A good manager or a team leader or a team development process, team building expertise, the right roles to the right people. Because in the team, every person's role is very, very, very clear. And the role is to be clear, so definitely we have to performance in that particular area by which they have to get down their results. Then, allocation to initial impressions. Initial impression. Attention should be paid to the first meeting, and action on the initial impression always mean a great deal. If that means attention is paid to what the team leader or the executives who otherwise influence the team. So first impression is to be the prime task towards the side of the team members. Then common and meaningful purpose. Again the team was there. You have to look out, the team is for short span of time. So common and meaningful purpose should be there. Every team should have a common purpose which is acceptable to the whole team members. Then the code of conduct. Code of conduct. Not a single institution in the world can run without a proper code of conduct. If we are in the school, हम अपने school colleges में हैं, universities में हैं, तो हमें we have to follow the same expectations be there. What are the rules and regulation was there? We have to apply rules and apply it. So code of conduct. Whatever the team is to be. If the team members for the team building process, every team members, whether it's a team leader also. So what the code conducts? It generalized, if you have to look after the generalized code of conduct, what is that? Attendance, regularity and punctuality. This is the first thing. Second, confidentiality. Because team member has a different brain waves. If they have a different brain waves, definitely they have to think a different way, in a different approach was there. So we should not, before achieving of the objective, before achieving of the mission, we should not discuss this thing to the outside of our team premises. So confidentiality is to be necessary things. Then analytical approach. Why the others? Because team result will be come down. Result. How it is to be come down? By the team effort. Team effort. A team is a different set of the people. They have a different mindset, different attitude, different desire was there. So analytical approach will be there. Then constructive confirmation is to be there. whatever the work we have to construct, each and every step is to be there. Because if we have to develop that type of team, so definitely accordingly we have to carry on. Then combination of the form of the real work. Because in the team, condition will be different. If you have to look after the team, because group work can be carried out by some other person, but a team is 10 to 15% only. Everyone has a different task. But then we have to achieve the final objectives. So final objective, to read that, we have the real work should be there. Real work. We know we have done, but whether the work is justified, whether the work is appreciated, whether the work is acceptable, whether the work is recognized, this is the prime consideration in the team building approaches to be there. Then establishing performance oriented specific goals. Performance oriented specific goals. Specific goal carried out. Indian cricket team, याद करिए क्या होता है, क्या करना चाहते हैं? They have to achieve the cup or win the series, whatever. तो specific goal is to be there. गोल है हमको जीतना है, हमको आगे जाना है, हमको आगे बढ़ना है, हमको विन-विन अप्रोच रखना है. But the specific goal to win the World Cup, whatever. Cup, कुछ भी हो. So we have to run performance oriented specific goals. जब हम ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे, then only we will achieve the success. तभी हम यहाँ पे सक्सेस का स्टेप बाय स्टेप फ्रूट ले पाएंगे. Then building the personal bond and creative insights. Creative insight. Creative insight. हर आदमी के अंदर होता है कुछ हमारा, कुछ inside views, कुछ inside approach. So creative insight should be there. Everyone think in different approaches to be there. अगर आप मेडिकल क्लिनिक जाएंगे, हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जो दवाई या मेडिसिन एक डॉक्टर ने पेशेंट को दी वो आपको भी दे. मे बी पॉसिबल कुछ मेडिसिन आपको देगा, कुछ दूसरी देगा. बिकॉज ये उनका थिंक है कि नाउ इन दिस कंडीशन दिस विल बी अ बेटर वे टू बी देयर. हमारे यहाँ लास्ट टाइम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, इन द लॉक टाइम इन इंडिया में हर तरफ कोविड-19 की पोजीशंस आई. तो जरूर ये नहीं है कि कोविड-19 में सिर्फ एक ही मेडिसिन ने इफेक्टिव किया. रिसर्च इज गोइंग ऑन. रिसर्च मींस रिसर्च. समय समय पर हम लोग खोजते रहते हैं. सेम थिंग इन द बिल्डिंग द पर्सनल बॉन्ड एंड क्रिएटिव इनसाइट, whatever the thing we have to develop. Then individual responsibility and accountability. सबसे बड़ी जो मोटिव होता है हमारा वो इन accountability. ग्रुप में you can get the chances every day, but not in the team. इतिहास गवाह है कि मर करके कोई जंग नहीं जीती जाती. तो जब हम कहते हैं कि मर के नहीं जीती जाती, तो आपको फ्रंट में सामने रहना होगा और अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आपको लेना होगा. तो एवरीवन इज टू बी अकाउंटेबल. नॉट अ सिंगल पर्सन इज टू बी देयर जो कह दे नो आई विल नॉट अकाउंटेबल फॉर दिस, माय टास्क इज दिस, आई विल नॉट कंसीडर दिस. बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली द टीम विल बी adjourned after certain times, maybe after whatever the task will be there, when the task is achieved or not, but a team will be dissolved later. Then appropriate performance evaluation. As the individuals are accountable at both the individuals as well as team levels. What I am, I will also get down to it. And our team, if I am the team member, so definitely will be the team. And the traditional methods of evaluating individual performance. And the main thing was there, because if we will not perform in a single task, okay, next task. If we are not in the race, so our work will be suffer. Organization motive will be suffer, or ultimate you are no longer required in the institution. This will be told by your professional managers. Then that is a reward system. Reward. We are utilized of two types of reward was there. One is individuals, and second is group teams. Individual reward may be given at a certain time or may not be given, but if you are succeeded, they are to recognize the reward system properly. And if in the recognition form, we have to form the real task. Now, the second discussion was there. We have to go to the third discussion in the team building. That is the effective team building. Effective. How we have to put out the effective team building? So, generalize. If you have to look after the form team to solve the real work issues. Form team. Number one, form team. Whatever the real world situation will come down, definitely we have to form the team and we have to eradicate the problem is to be there. Then hold department meetings to review projects and progress. Hold department meeting. Hold department meetings. Every time, the face to face, we have to discuss the things and then review projects and progress, because as we have checked down the progress in a regular fashion, our work will be go accordingly. Then build fun and shared occasions into the organization agenda, because hold potluck lunches, take the team to a sporting team events, this type of things we have to develop, by which we have to share the occasions in day-to-day practices, and by which our organization motives can be shown. Then use icebreakers and teamwork exercise at meeting. This is the necessary thing is to be there. No one is to be perfect. Everyone wants to do our work, because if we are working in institutions, we want to do our work, that's why we are there. But we have certain lacunas, certain coverage, certain obstacles in our attires and business schedules to be there. In that, so the icebreaker session should be carried out on regular intervals to the team out, and in the every meeting we have to carry out these things to be there. Then only the team building is stabilized in real matters to be there. Then celebrate team success publicly. Whatever the thing is to be. If we are successful, we have to show our team success everywhere. Not in grassroots level, we have to stabilize everything, everyone should be seen. Just like an example is to be there, you have to see a lot of campaign, or you have to see a lot of things is to be there in newspapers. और दिस इज द जस्टिफाइड थिंग्स वाज देयर कि हमें जो दिखता है हम उसी को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. तो इफ वी आर सक्सेस इन अ वेरी स्मॉल सक्सेस, छोटा सा सक्सेस, लाइक इन अ सेल्स टीम इज टू बी देयर, I can just find a live example is to be there when I was in different companies, different pharmaceutical industry was there. So in every minute they are celebrating a small event was there. A small event, किसी प्रोडक्ट की लॉन्चिंग हुई और उसकी पहली सेल निकली. They have to, okay, come down with a tea conversation. Tea is a very common thing in professional organizations, everyone. So it's not a matter of the expansion of the team is to be, expansion of the tea is to be, but this is the celebration only, where we have to sit and discuss कि हमारा फेज शुरू हो गया है जिस लॉन्च के लिए हम तैयार हुए थे, और एज एंड वेन द लॉन्चेस इज टू बी देयर, हम अपने टारगेट की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, तो सक्सेस विल बी देयर. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि दिस इज द स्टेप बाय स्टेप. इन अ प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल आपने देखा होगा कि व्हाटएवर प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल, इंट्रोडक्टरी फेज, ग्रोथ फेज, मैच्योरिटी फेज एंड दिस द डिक्लाइन फेज. सेम थिंग. तो टीम बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस में भी ऐसे ही है. If you have not controlled your growth phase is to be there, at a certain times your team building cannot be achieved. Or as and when you are the top, आपकी टीम मेंबर पूरी तरह बिल्कुल enthusiastic हैं, बिल्कुल लॉन्चिंग के लिए पूरी तैयार हैं और सब अच्छे से रिजल्ट्स आ रहा है, अचानक आप देखते हैं कि when the final launching was there, they should be dropped down. फाइनल से पहले. क्यों? Because we had not that type of cohesiveness. टीम कोहेसिवनेस की जो बात है, मैंने आपसे बात की थी, इसकी भी कोहेसिवनेस की बात की थी. और कोहेसिवनेस इज अ नेचुरल बॉन्डिंग, और बॉन्डिंग तभी होता है जब लाइक मैग्नेट नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव ही एक दूसरे से जुड़ते हैं. कभी भी आप पॉजिटिव को आपस में जोड़ नहीं सकते. सेम इन द टीम प्रोसेस टू बी देयर. तो व्हाटएवर द स्ट्रक्चरल बीम इज टू बी देयर, वी हैव टू कंट्रोल द मैनेजमेंट. सो टुडे व्हाटएवर सो इज टू बी देयर, व्हाटएवर द मैनेजर task is to be there, we have discussing the team and the team building approaches was there, and we have discussed skills usefuls, then vision of the team building, team managing teams to be there. There's also certain things in the latest student. So in this discussion we have to carry out certain things, how the team is to be built and how we have to stabilize the team. So this is the overall things was there, in which by which you can clearly understand the role of a team member in the developing of the team building processes. In this, a leader's role is a prime consideration.